back to my channel. I'm about to get right into this, so let's go. What's up, Jam? So we're just jumping right into it. I'm going in with my brows with this brow pencil, a brown brow pencil. I will list all my details below like I usually do. If you have not seen my videos before, then welcome to my channel, and if you have seen my videos, then welcome back to my channels. And yeah, like you guys know, I just list all my details below. So if you want to find any information about the products that I'm using, they will be listed in the details. So now I'm just going to go in with this concealer and I'm going to clean up these eyebrows. I'm just taking a flat concealer brush and I'm cleaning up my eyebrows, making them sharp and making them look crispy. Yeah, I'm just going to take a buffing concealer brush after that and then just go ahead and use that to blend out the concealer. So I'm just going to take this Louise Bake Canvas base with the flat brush and I'm just going to do the bottom of my eyebrows, clean that up, and then I'm also just going to use it as a primer for my shadow, and just exactly what it is, like a blank canvas for my shadow to go on my eyelid. I'm just taking this big fluffy brush and I'm just kind of blending that base out just to make it even on my eyelid. So yeah, I'm just using this James Charles palette from Morphe, and I'm using just a flat eyelid eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna pack this shadow on. The yellow isn't super pigmented, so I literally have to go in and pack that in. But the other colors, you know, kind of pop. But yeah, that yellow with my skin tone didn't pop as bright as the other colors, so I had to take a little longer to pack that on to get that to show. Especially on camera, I had to make sure that it was showing. I'm just taking this fluffy crease brush and I'm just using it to blend these colors together. So yeah, I found these cute little 2mm, super small, colorful rhinestones on Amazon, and I'm just decorating my eyes with those. I'm taking the duo lash glue with some tweezers and I'm just sticking them on just like that. Y'all, I don't know why I was making stuff more difficult for myself by trying to pick these little bitty rhinestones up with these tweezers out of that container. I found it way easier when I just put it in my hand like you see and then pick it out of my hand like that, because it made it so much easier to grab. So I'm just going in and priming my face before I put my foundation on. And then we just about to go to work on the face. So yeah, I'm kind of learning to not do so much voiceover throughout the video because most of it is I want to say basically a little self-explanatory. I don't want to say now I'm putting my lashes on when clearly you can see me putting my lashes on, but and then most of my details are already listed below, so I don't really have to do much talking throughout the videos. I'll just kind of let them play out from now on. But if you do have questions and you want me to answer them, then please comment and let me know. So this is my final look. I am adoring this soft look. It is so cute, especially those little stones. It brings out the shadow colors. But yeah, if you guys like this look and you want to see more similar or just more videos, different ideas, then let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, follow my Instagram, share my posts, just support your girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah.